I have discovered what might be the biggest Amazon change to the algorithm in a very, very long time. My name is Noah Wickham. I'm sales director here at My Amazon Guy, and let's dig into it. So, many of you may know what a main image hack is. We have been professing the main image hack here at My Amazon Guy for years, actually. It's one of the main things that we have focused on as a company is the main image hack, how to boost your sales through the main image hack. For those who are uninitiated to the main image hack, you can check our website. It essentially talks about the idea of what a main image hack is, and it essentially is where you add different features. So you can see this product here where we essentially add a backing to it. So this backing is product packaging, quote unquote. Other ones like this where we are seeing essentially a ribbon here, a card in front of it, another one where we add a little badge on here as well as a little section here, etc. So there's a lot of different ones, product packaging here with a badge, another badge here, a lot of different ways you can do main image hacks. However, all of that is changing. Last week, I recorded a video going over the changes to alt text and how it's indexing and how Amazon is doing it. One of the main things that I talked about in that, and this is just me again, and you can't actually see me here, but I am behind it. One of the main things in this that I talked about was the idea that Amazon has the accessibility updates, such as detecting if an image is decorative, an image used for styling or layout purposes, or to visually complement existing text. The big aspect with this is detecting if an image is decorative, and detecting being the primary keyword here. Why is this a problem? Well, we have recently discovered, and I have heard from several other sellers in the space, that main images in general are being suppressed. It is a large, large issue that we are facing across the board, and we are seeing that is becoming more and more and more of an issue. So this is a big deal. What do I mean by this? Well, essentially, and I'll pull up Amazon here just so we can look at some stuff together. If you are going to Amazon and you look at any type of product that has a main image, we'll take a supplement, for instance, as the primary here. Supplements are huge within the main image space. So things such as adding the packaging here. You can see it's on pretty much every single one of these supplements. This is the main image that I believe is still going to be allowed. So from our testing specifically, these type of main images are not going to be affected as heavily as what the other ones are. So the ones that are going to be affected, as seen, that we have seen, is badges. Badges in general are getting images suppressed. It doesn't matter if it's a badge like this, a badge like this. All of these have been getting suppressed across the board. I've talked to well over 10 different of brand managers here. Is happening across their accounts, as well as many sellers outside of My Amazon Guy as well during the live Q&A. So what does this mean for Amazon in general and the main image hack? A lot, actually. This is pretty impactful from the aspect of, one, it almost assuredly shows that Amazon has the ability to, one, detect if there is text on the main image now. It now can actually see a main image, I'm assuming in AI software. From our testing, we upload a few different options of tests with main image hacks for new images with badges. Those badges got taken down within and search suppressed within about 30 minutes. Only takes about 15 minutes to get your actual image back up, but it is something nonetheless. Secondarily, that the big thing that I'm wondering now is, are they going to come after the product packaging? We so far haven't seen it happen with product packaging, thankfully, so that is still allowed in some capacity, but we're seeing it across the board. And the crazy part about this is that it also seems like Amazon is getting fairly lax with what people can actually have with certain types of main images. So if we look at steel toe shoes, this will give a very, very good example of exactly what I am talking about when it comes to Amazon being more and more lax when it comes to how different products are able to actually present. So one of the big things over the years is that shoes have been essentially having to be shown like this. This is how shoes always are supposed to be shown. You're not even technically supposed to have two. You can see here there are two shoes though, and not how they're supposed to be shown. It's normally a very, very compliant category. You can see all of the ones here, but slowly we're adding things like this, where you can very much see that this is a main image hack that should not be allowed. This is honestly astonishing. Here's another one where you essentially have arrows. You have a little hammer down here. Another one, we have arrows, a hammer. these shouldn't be allowed by any metric. Again, shoes have been a very, very hard category to do main image hacks in because they want to just do this. But Amazon seems to now be allowing, Chinese companies, so to speak, with these different types of main image hacks. So all of that being said, it seems Amazon's changing. They're changing their tune towards how they are actually taking down certain types of features that they typically wouldn't allow. So things such as the badges, text on that main image. But they're also allowing things that they normally wouldn't allow in the past, such as shoes being shown in different capacities, having little hammers on them to show features, things like that. So I'm really interested to see where this is going to go. This is detrimental, I will say, from the aspect of the main image hack has been one of the staples of growing click-through rate on seller listings for years at this point in time. So seeing that this is starting to happen across the board, it also makes me wonder, is Amazon going to, at some point in time, make it so you can no longer, in general, do anything that isn't within the image guidelines? And how do you get around it at that point in time, if at all? And how do you even show differentiation if that's the case? So these are things I'm worried about, but it definitely does show one thing and one thing only. Amazon has a much easier time detecting issues with main images, images in general. It can see what is on those images, how those are being presented. So what are you going to do right now? Well, if you have a main image hack that is currently on your listing, I will tell you, do not go ahead and change it. Don't do any changing. From our testing so far, even if you submit an A/B test of some kind, you will get suppressed on that capacity, even with your original image that has the A/B test, not just the new image A/B test with the main image hack. So make sure to not change anything on your main image if you already have a very successful or semi-successful main image hack for a time being. And if you are planning to, product packaging is the primary way that we are going. We believe that things such as ribbons, any badges that you would be doing, as well as any tags you would add on there, are going to all be getting taken down here very, very quickly. So anything else that we find out on this, I will keep you posted on.